Hello and welcome back to Pipeline to Profit, helping you manage all of your transactions in Command. My name is CJ Johnson and I'm a training specialist with the tech training team at Keller Williams. Today we're going to be talking about how to use the client updates feature in Command for your business. This is a great way for you to keep up with your clients and keep them informed on the progress you're making when working through an opportunity. You're going to start with setting general email preferences. Then you're going to choose the opportunity checklist items that you want to include on the client update emails. Your clients will be sent a daily email using Command Email, which will include a report of the opportunity checklist items that you have completed that day. So let's jump in and show you how to use this feature so you can leverage it for your business. So you're going to jump into your Opportunities applet, as we can see right here on this screen, and you're going to click on the gear icon right next to the button of Create Opportunities. Now, once I do this, it's going to send me to my settings here. So the client updates will be sent once a day. So as long as a checklist item was completed that day, it'll be sent out. In the Send At section, you're going to choose the time of day that you want the client update emails to be sent. So you're going to pick the time that is set based on the Central Standard Time Zone. So make sure you're calculating that accordingly. All right, you're going to want to skip the Send From section. This is for setting up client updates for teams. Now, if you're on a team, you'll use this for your team here, but you can go ahead and skip this if you're a solo agent. In the Send To section, go ahead and select who you want to send the client update emails to. Whether that's a client, co-client, or primary client only, you'll indicate that here. Now, client or co-client, these updates will be sent to both the primary contact associated with the opportunity and the co-seller or co-buyer. The primary client area, these updates will be sent only to the primary contact associated with the opportunity. In the Also Send To section, this is where you can choose what you want to send in terms of a copy out for the client update email. So check the owner box if you want a copy and uncheck it if you do not want that copy. And then you can save the changes here at the bottom. All right, now let's talk about selecting a default opportunity checklist item to include here. So when you set the default opportunity checklist items, you will be setting the template for all of your client update emails, meaning these are the checklist items that will be sent in the update for every opportunity. So we're going to go ahead and select a phase here out of the 5 phases in the sales pipeline. So I'm going to select appointment just for our example today. Okay, we're going to go ahead and select Edit Stages in the upper right-hand corner here. Now, we're going to see those different checklists that are associated with those different stages that we've created or the default stages Command has given us. Go ahead and select that checklist area there. So if you want to include that item in the client update email, you can go ahead and select it here on the right-hand side of the client updates that you want to include. Then go ahead and click Save. Once you have selected all of the checklist items that you want to include in the client update emails, then this will be completed. Go ahead and repeat these steps 1 through 5 for every stage and every phase of that opportunity pipeline to really set up these client updates for your preferences. Now, there's one more feature that I want to show you with this client update feature here that can be really helpful for you. So once you set your defaults, you might find that you need to change some of your preferences for an individual opportunity. This could include when the email is sent each day or who receives the client update for the specific opportunity in question. So first things we're going to do is go ahead into our sales pipeline, click a phase that we want to go into. And while we're in here, we're going to go ahead and select one of our opportunities to utilize. The first things first, we're going to go ahead and click on Client Updates in the upper right-hand corner. This will allow us to select this individual opportunity and set up client updates just for this opportunity here. You can use the toggle here at the top where it says Send Daily Progress Emails for this opportunity. We'll make sure that this is turned on in order to adjust this particular opportunity. So in order to edit this opportunities daily email preferences on this page, a couple of things you can do here. You can change the time at which these updates will be sent. You can check or uncheck the box next to each person's name to add or remove them from the email. And you can also use the drop down to the right of each email address to choose whether they will be sent the email directly, either CC'd, BCC'd, once sent. And we can save those changes. All right, now you see how client updates that you can select, make preferences for, can really take your opportunity and transaction management to the next level. If you have any questions, remember, you can email our team at learncommand@kw.com and we'll be happy to follow up with you.